Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I am going to show you two designs of bed. They are quite different in color, information, with storage, without storage, semi-poster bed, and it's a different bed. I'll give you the details one by one, and along with all the details that you require for a bed when you're planning for a bed for your home. These days, the most important thing is about the theme. Every home has got a theme, be it the wallpapers, the color of the walls, or painting on the wall, or the drapes, or the ceiling with the LED lights, profile lights. All this together makes a theme. And in that theme, we decide the design as well as the colors. The design could be the carving part, how heavy, how light. It could be French theme or Victorian theme, depending on what you like. And the other thing is about the usage part. When we talk about usage, there are two things. One is about the storage part, and the other is the side tables. I'll go with all these details also. First, let me show you the beds we have. This one is in satin white. It's in teak wood. The back and the front is in teak wood. The boxes, this is the storage one. I'll show you the storage also. It's a very easy opening hydraulic storage, and it's side storage. When you have storage like this, you get the entire clean area. Clean means you have easy reach. I can reach this area easily. I can reach this area easily. Generally, that is not very easy in the front open beds. So when you open it in front, it goes 45-degree angle, and this area is hardly usable. But this way, you can use it completely. Both are same and very easy to close with the hydraulic. You need not hold it. Smooth closing. Now, teak wood in satin white paint, and this one also serves as a platform bed. I'll tell you why. This side is open, this side is open, and when we place the mattress on it, this will be almost this height or a little higher. So this side is also open. So when you have three sides open for a bed, the back is of course going to the wall, that is closed. Three side open bed is platform bed. So you can use it from all the sides. Generally, when you have the front side as a higher side, that is two side open bed, left and right. This is also a platform bed design. Now, looking at the design, if you see, we have very light carving. So front part has got a little design part, and the back has a little flower in the middle. That is the only carving we have in this one. And for the French theme or for the modern look designs, this is one of the most liked models. Very beautiful design, and the satin white is giving it a very clean and modern look, as you can see. Along with this, we have got two side tables, 24 inches left to right, 16 inches depth, 24 inches height. We have got two drawers, as you can see, two handles, quite good drawer size, very smooth opening, smooth closing. And you can keep your water bottle, your mobile phone, your charger, book, your medicines that you need at home right next to you when you are sleeping. So side tables are quite handy. You want one, you want two, we provide it accordingly. I'll come to this point also. First, let me explain the details about the bed itself. Basically, the beds are two types, with storage or without storage. And there is a reason to that also. With storage beds generally are a little higher. So if you are using any mattress more than 8 inches, storage doesn't make much sense, because there is a particular height. More than that, you have to climb over the bed. It's not easy. Now, if you see this one, I can easily sit on it. And once I have a mattress of 6 inches or 8 inches, still I can sit on it with my legs firmly to the ground. If you have to climb a bed, jump on it and jump over, then it's not very comfortable. So when you have thicker mattress, storage doesn't make much sense. And 6 inches, 8 inches mattress is fine. So accordingly, we make the storage up and down. This is one point. Second point is about the side tables. As I mentioned, they are very important. And if you have space, you can go for two, you can go for one. And another thing in this bed is we don't have any cushion at the back. There is solid wood, and the design is entirely of wood. The cushion beds have got a fabric or leatherette, but this remains like this, and the look is right here in front of you. The other most important point is about the size of the mattress. Size of the mattress is king size, queen size, super king size, deluxe size, super deluxe size. All these are the mattress sizes, and the mattress size defines the size of the bed. This one is India king size, both of them. India king size is 72 inches, 6 feet left to right, 6.5 feet front to back. Both the designs. I'll come to this one also. So mattress size is the size of a bed. And thickness is as per your choice: 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches. All the mattresses comes in so many sizes, so whichever you like you can place on the bed. Let's come to this one, again in teak wood, front and back. Even the sides of this one is in teak wood. The cover only is plywood, rest everything is teak wood. Back height is 5 feet. This is a little less, a couple of inches short, 5 feet back height. And this is a semi-poster bed also, semi-poster bed, because these pillars that you see here on the four corners, if they go to the top, they becomes a full poster bed, four poster. Poster is basically the pillar design that you see here. So four posters, and this one is semi-poster, semi-poster, or also you can say. And the finishing is brown and matte. Along with this, we have another side table, three drawers in this one, again with the channels, smooth is opening and smooth closing, 24 inches, 16 inches, and the height is 24 inches. And this one is without storage, as you can see. So broadly, when you're looking for a bed, there are three most important points. First is the mattress size that you are looking for, and the mattress width also. Based on that, we'll decide about the storage or without storage option. Storage also had side drawers, front load. You can go for one side drawer, one side load. All the options are available. We have made earlier. We have the videos for that on YouTube. You can check whichever you like. We can make it accordingly. And for the non-storage bed, according to the mattress thickness, we can make it up and down. And the look is right here. Teak wood, so they are very durable, will go for a long time. This is in polish, this is in Duco paint, this is walnut matte, this is satin white. So we have got the color ranges, and if you want to see the range of the colors, you can visit our YouTube channel and you can see thousands of videos. I think more than 1500 videos we have uploaded, different colors, polished shades. Polished shade can be natural, walnut, dark walnut, mahogany, cherry. There's so many colors, and then you can go for Duco paint, and that has got all the range of the colors: satin white, white, off-white, triple shade, dual shade, gold, antique gold, silver, rose gold, and champagne, and gold leafing. All the colors we have done, and even the Italian multi-shaded beds, multicolor things, we have done all those colors already, and you can see on the website and YouTube channel as well. About the installation part, they're very easy to install. The storage beds are very easy to install. There are two boxes. You need to put them together. Put the front part in, and there is a bolt. Tighten the bolt on both sides. Installation is complete. Hardly 5 minutes. The non-storage beds takes a little more installation time, but they are again very easy. We have to insert both the sides in along with this. Then place the internal wooden pieces and place the ply part on the top. It's ready. It doesn't take more than 5-10 minutes to install. Just you need a couple of guys to install it, and we have delivered across the globe, 55 plus countries, and everybody has easily done it at their place without the help of a specialist or a carpenter or any technique, because they're not that difficult to do. Side tables come pre-installed. It's a single piece, so just need to unpack and place it. There's nothing much that has to be done with this. Now another important thing is the choice part that I discussed earlier. What Aarsun does, we make it as per your choice, what you want, not what we have. So size, design, colors, the patterns, the units along, means a side table you want a bed bench along with this, you want a love settee in the room. We make all that, so you can let us know what you want. You want it in a smaller size, you want it in bigger size. Everything and anything is as per your choice, and that is why we call our furniture choice wala furniture. Other point is home delivery. We deliver where you are in 55 countries and entire India. So let us know your choice and we will make it home delivery. About the price part, we are making it here. You're receiving at your home. There is no trader, no commission, no agent in the middle, no showroom people in the middle. So you always get the best price when you get directly from Aarsun to your home. In India or out of India, we are delivering everywhere safely, and the quality that is associated with the brand of Aarsun. You can visit our website, the testimonial section, and you can see thousands of units that we have delivered across the globe. These pictures are, once the stuff has reached the client's place, they have unpacked it, placed it, and finally they took the picture, sent it back to us with the love, the blessings, and reference orders as well. No website in the world, I can assure you, I can guarantee that, and we're proud of this. No website, no furniture company in the world can show you these many ideas, these many actual pictures from the client's places, because we have done it and we have got it. And different stuff, choice wala stuff, as per the client's requirement, as per your choice. Even if you are an interior designer or an architect, you can pitch your ideas freely and let us know what you want. We'll make that and deliver to your address, your home, your client's place, anywhere, at the best prices, factory prices. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Let us know what you like and let us make it as per your dream home furniture. Thank you. Dhanyavad.